Hey Siri.
Thanks. Anyway, yeah, I had to break into him.
I tried to wear something like
How
those
long
when
do
Pete
hiccups
ran an
last?
instinct group. And here's the Beware of Dog sign.
Generally lasts for a few
But it's
seconds to
bullshit. I
minutes.
climb here all the
However,
time.
in
There's no
some
sign of
cases,
dogs here.
hiccups may continue for
That's
months.
funny.
This answers medicine
But when it was... And the
If you have
cemetery
hiccups for
closed at
months,
night
I'm
to
gonna feel
stop
so bad for
zombies
you,
from
man.
getting
That
out.
sucks.
I'm gonna cry if I do.
No, yeah, no, because they actually like.
Wait, really?
It's unfortunate. They can. Some people like have never-ending hiccups, and that's just unfortunate for them. Like it's hell. It is
Is
legitimately
that an
like a
actual
hell.
condition? That would be super fucking. That's.
I don't think you just get it like this though. I don't think you just get permanent hiccups. I think it's just like it's only been like 5 minutes, man.
Are we exaggerating or
What are we exaggerating about? What?
has it actually been 5 minutes?
Yeah, we're like 5 minutes into the episode.
Oh yeah. You're
Or you got hiccups at the start of the episode.
Actually, no, I didn't. I actually got it during the halfway of the other episode.
Okay, so it's about 10 minutes. Whoa. So the 10 minutes is not that big of a deal. Well, if by the end of season 2 you still have hiccup, stand up. How is this? Stand up, like just take a few deep breaths. Usually when I have hiccups, I really try to like forcefully control my breathing because like hiccups is like your lungs are just collapsing on themselves. It feels like, right? So I feel my lungs. I just kind of hold them. I go. I try to force it, brute force the hiccups to go away.
Well, something came out.
What?
Dang.